How to fix no sound issue in Mobile Legends on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure your iPhone is not in silent mode, and if yes, then disable the silent mode and put your phone into the ring mode. Next, increase the volume by pressing the volume up key or from your control center. Next, make a few adjustments in the game settings. So open the Mobile Legends game and further tap on the settings option you see there. Here, tap on the sounds option and now make sure the main volume is set to on. Also make sure all these sliders here are set to max, that is. Make sure the music, sound effects, hero voice and system notification is set to max. Also, adjust the battleground chat settings according to your preference and also make sure the volume slider is set to max. So, this is how you can fix no sound issue in Mobile Legends on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.